Every movement has a story to tell, whether it's a painful step, restricted mobility, or loss of strength. Understanding body mechanics is the key to effective rehabilitation. Our MPT program in Musculoskeletal Sciences incorporates latest assessment tools, hands-on clinical training, and expert mentorship to create skilled rehabilitation professionals. The learning journey begins by understanding movement. Through advanced gait and posture analysis using the foot scanner, students learn to identify biomechanical dysfunctions with precision. Using technologies like EMG and pelvic inclinometer, students develop the ability to evaluate muscle performance, alignment, and movement patterns, building a strong clinical reasoning for evidence-based treatment planning. From assessing muscle strength with hand dynamometer to designing a personalized rehabilitation plans, every experience strengthens the confidence to manage real-world musculoskeletal conditions effectively. Ability to restore movement has the ability to transform lives. If you are ready to make that impact, MPT in Musculoskeletal Sciences is where your next chapter begins.